Hello, good evening everyone. So, we're here again sa another online live study natin for registered master plumbing. Um, to all aspiring registered master plumber. So, please like and share these videos and share this to everyone na magte-take din ng registered master plumber. So, let's start our review for tonight. I will share my screen here. Okay, so tonight I will discuss about the chapter 4, the drainage system. Okay, so here's the drainage system. This is one of the most important thing that we need to learn sa pagdating po sa master planning. I will just check if na-share na ng maayos. Okay. So, let's start na. The drainage system is composed of wait. So, i-highlight po natin, no? The drainage system is composed of the piping network within a structure which conveys sewage, rainwater, or other waste from their point to origin to a point of disposal, such as a public sewer or a private treatment facility like the septic tank. So this system is often known as the DWB. So what is the DWB system? It's a drainage, waste, and vent. So anything na going out from the, diba, kanina, mga previous videos, I discussed about the supply and the fixtures. But this time, after the fixtures, ito na yung drainage system. DWV system po siya. It's called the drainage, the waste, and the vent. The complete drainage system is subdivided by the 4 subsystems as follows. So first, we have the soil drainage system. So, ano yung soil drainage system? So, ibig sabihin, pag soil, it means may kinalaman pagdating sa lupa. So, the piping that conveys the discharge of water, closets, or fixtures having similar functions containing the fecal matter, with or without the discharges from the other fixtures. Ulitin ko lang. Soil drainage system is the piping that conveys the discharge of water closets. Water closets means ito yung mga toilet bowls, yung mga sa CR, no? Kung saan galing yung black water. Okay, black water po ang tawag sa water na kung saan galing po sa mga toilet bowls natin. Okay, so the toiling that conveys the discharge of water closets or fixtures having similar functions containing the fecal matter, with or without the discharge from the other fixtures. Next is the waste drainage system or sanitary drainage system. So, the piping that receives the liquid discharge from plumbing fixtures other than those fixtures, water closets receiving fecal matter. The piping is free of fecal flow. So, there's a free of fecal flow. Yan. So, pag waste drainage system or sanitary drainage system, it's the piping, ulitin natin, receives the liquid discharge from plumbing fixtures, those fixtures like the water closet receiving fecal matter. So, andito din po yung mga toilets natin. No? Pag sinabi natin na storm drainage system, it's the piping system that receives clear water drainage from leaders, the downspouts, surface runoff, groundwater, subsurface water, condensate water, cooling water, or other similar discharges and conveys them to the point of disposal. So, all sanitary waste must be excluded. So, hindi kasama ang sanitary wastes, but the storm drainage system, it's more unlike the rainwater. They are clear water drainage. So, okay? So, mostly it's tubig ulan. Pag sinabi natin na vent system, Okay, so again, uh, this number four subsystem of the drainage system is yung vent system. It's the piping system that receives a flow of air. So it means ito naman yung sa air. Usually, naglalagay tayo dito sa toilet. 'Di ba meron tayong mga exhaust fans. But some other or traditional na ginagamit sa CR mismo is meron po talaga tayong vent pipe para doon po sumingaw yung galing po sa ano natin, sa mga toilet bowls or sa mga water closets. Okay? So, it receives a flow of air or to from a drainage system. So, galing siya sa drainage system to provide a circulation of air within such system to protect trap seals from siphonage and or back pressure. So, ang purpose of this drainage system is to prevent the vent system. Purpose niya po is para maiwasan po yung mga siphonage or yung mga back pressure na tinatawag natin. Kung bakit hindi po lumulubog yung ating CR, ay yung dumi, 'di ba, sa CR natin. So that it should have a proper vent system so that yung pressure ng ating piping talagang pag binuhusan mo bababa talaga yung mga fecal or yung mga talagang dumi, no? So again, this is the four drainage system, the four subsystem, which is the soil drainage system, the waste drainage system or the sanitary drainage system, storm drainage system, and the vent system. So that's the four. DWG, it's drainage, waste, and vent. Okay, so here's the general requirements for a properly designed drainage system. So So, the piping must be airtight, gas-tight, and watertight. So, tatandaan na lang po natin to. It should be airtight, gas-tight. Pangit to. Yan. Ito na lang. It should be airtight, gas-tight, and watertight. Okay? Each plumbing fixture, except those with integral traps, shall be separately trapped by an approved type water seal trap. So this is to prevent odor-laden and germ-laden to rise out of the drainage system and contaminate the surroundings air in the room. So tandaan na lang po natin na dapat magkakaiba po yung trap niya. Okay. So each plumbing fixture trap, plumbing fixture trap shall be provided with vent pipes. This is to protect the drainage system against the siphonage and back pressure and to assure air circulation throughout the drainage system. So, a clean out easily accessible shall be provided for inspection or cleaning of the pipeline. The location of the clean out shall be at the upper end. So clean out easily accessible shall be provided for inspection, cleaning, or the pipeline. The location ng clean out, ito po yung location ng clean out, should be in the upper, okay, sorry. Oh my gosh, sorry. So it should be upper of end of the vertical waste, every horizontal waste or soil pipe. So dapat at the upper end of every horizontal waste or soil pipe, and at very change of horizontal direction of not more than 22.5 degrees. Okay? Within 1.5 or 5 inch inside the property line before the house sewer connection, at every 15 meter or 50 feet, 1.5 meter or 5 feet. So, ito naman, 15 meter or 50 to a horizontal soil or run of the soil or waste pipe. So, ito yung location po na tatandaan natin. It should be upper end of the horizontal waste or soil pipe. Dapat upper end po siya. Kaya dun sa pagkadulo, upper end po siya, at every change of horizontal direction of not more than 22.5 degrees and within 1.5 meter or 5 foot, 5 feet inside the property line before the house sewer connection, and at every 15 meter 50 full feet to a horizontal soil of okay. So all horizontal piping shall run in um, all horizontal piping shall be run in practical alignment and at uniform grade of not less than 2% or 2 centimeter per meter toward the point of disposal. So all horizontal piping shall be supported and anchored at intervals not to exceed 3 meters. So dapat hindi not to exceed in 3 meters. So vertical piping shall be secured at sufficiently close intervals to keep the pipe in alignment. Stacks shall be properly supported at their bases. So dapat yung stack shall be supported at their bases. Okay. So this is a sample plan of the vent pipe. So as you can see here, we have here the water closets. One, two. There are water closets here. This is the lavatory. And this is the... Oh no, this is also of... I forgot. Basta ganyan. Okay, yeah. This is lavatory. This is the... Ano. So, usually, ganyan po yung sample plan natin. And, the red wine, the red line, wine, that's the drainage system. Okay. In isometric, usually ganito din po. No? So, this is a sample of a drainage system. As we can see in the drawing. But it's not so clear. So, let's skip that one. Okay, so the definition from the NPC 1999 edition. House or building drain. This is the part of the lowest horizontal piping of a plumbing system, and which receives the discharge from the soil. So waste and other drainage pipes inside of a building and conveys it to the house sewer outside of the building. So that's what we call the house or the building drain. You have also the house or builder sewer. So it extends from the house drain at 0.60 meters. Sewer siya. It extends from the house drain. Okay, sa 0.60 meters from the outside face of the foundation of the wall of a building to the junction with a street sewer or to any point of discharge and conveying the drainage of one building site. No house, building, or sewer shall be smaller than. Bawal po siya. No sewer shall be smaller than 150 millimeter in diameter, not nor less in size the house building drain. Okay? So, dapat hindi po siya smaller sa 150 millimeter in diameter. So, waste pipe. It conveys only wastewater. Pag waste pipe po, it's usually yung mga wastewater or liquid waste free of fecal matter. So, with soil pipe, any pipe conveys discharge of water closets, urinals, or fixtures having similar function with or without the discharges from other fixtures to the building drain or building sewer. Soil stack pipe. It's a vertical soil
pipe conveying fecal matter and wastewater. So, pag nagsahalo na yung fecal matter and the wastewater, that's a soil stack pipe. We have also the vent pipe. It's used for ensuring the circulation of air in a plumbing system and for relieving the negative pressure exerted on strap seals. And vent pipe, it's okay. The difference of vent pipe from vent stack is the vent stack is the vertical vent pipe installed primarily for providing circulation of air to and from any part of the soil waste of the drainage system. We have also the septic tank. It's a watertight covered receptacle designed and constructed to receive the discharge of sewage from building sewer, separate solids from the liquid, digest organic matter, and store digested solids, the clarified liquids to discharge for final disposal. So usually po pag septic tank, alam na po natin na dito na pupunta yung mga um, waste liquids, the black water, the gray water, and anything na may mga fecal matter before siya ibalik doon sa source. So this is a way to filter also the the to filter the water, no. So private sewage disposal system, it's a septic tank with effluent discharging into a subsurface disposal field, seepage, pits, or of such other facilities or may be permitted by the plumbing code. We have also the roof gutter, the water collector at the eaves of the building. So, yung nakikita natin sa ating mga bubong, that's a roof gutter. Kung saan bubus yung ating ulan. Downspout, ito naman yung vertical pipe which conveys rainwater, also known as a conductor or rainwater. We have also the storm drain, receives storm water, clear rain or subsurface waste. We have also the catch basin. It's a receptacle in which liquids are retained for a sufficient period of time to allow material to settle to this deposit. And we have also the trap. It's a trap is a fitting or device designed and constructed to provide, when properly vented, a liquid seal which prevents the backflow of foul air or methane gas without materially affecting the flow of sewage or wastewater through it. So, trap po ang tawag doon. Next. Okay, so this is a design of the yung sa drainage system natin. Kung saan may makikita kayo dito sa side na to. Okay, dito muna tayo sa taas. So, as you can see at the upper, meron po tayong tinatawag na vent stack through roof. So, dito po, nakakonect siya sa kada mga sa CR, no? Dito, ito yung makikita natin yung mga water closet. Connected po siya. Kasi dito po, para yung pressure, ang pinaka-purpose, hindi lang siya for the foul odor, ma-remove yung foul odor, but also yung tinatawag nating pressure to prevent the siphonage and back pressure. Kung yung back pressure, ito yung kung saan hindi lumulubog po yung mga tae natin. Kumbaga hindi siya nagsisettle down, kundi bumabalik po siya. Kaya back pressure po siya. So here, as you can see, itong broken line, that's vent stack. So ito po siya, nakakonect po siya dito. Ito yung bathtub. Ito yung bathtub. Tapos ito yung lavatory. Then connected silang lahat from here, as you can see here. Yan. So this is the pipe, the soil stack na tinatawag natin. And this is the branch vent. Yan, branch vent. Tapos, going siya, ito going sa up. And then, as we can see, we have here na sa roof, meron po tayo ditong
tinatawag, ito yung kaninang uh, what we call this? Nakalimutan ko yung basic, gutter, roof gutter, yeah. So this is the roof gutter. As you can see in the figure, we have the roof gutter. Then, syempre, pag umulan, nandiyan yung roof gutter. Then, ito yung branch vent, downspout, and to going to the branch soil. So, pagka dito sa branch soil, we have the filter box or the rainwater cistern, or we have the what we call the rainwater collector. As of now, our students is actually I'm teaching in one of the universities in Bicol University, and I am teaching my student to create the rainwater collector. So they designed it, and we are doing an extension activity outside. So nakwento ko lang sa inyo. So part po kasi ng ganitong system sa plumbing works, no? This is an addition or accessories we can use. So after the branch, the downspout, pwede po natin dito i-connect yung mga rainwater collector so that we can use the rain waste or the storm water na tinatawag natin. Technical. Okay, so this time, ito yung tinatawag natin, itong brown, pwede dito. Ito din, another downspout or storm leader, uh, going to the branch ways. Then, this is another way, the catch basin. Pwede ditong ikunin yung tubig din, no? So, here, from the soil stock, connected po siya. There's a 2% slope, 21 millimeter per or meter. Sorry, per minute. 21 millimeter per minute. Tama ba ako? Uh, hindi ko masyado nababasa. So, soil and waste pipe going to ito yung septic tank natin. Ito yung okay, wait lang, ayusin ko. This is the septic tank, tapos tong building sewer, leading chamber, then the digestive chamber. So this is the public sewer or the STP, so sewage treatment plant, possible sewage treatment plant. Tapos ito yung building drain or house drain na tinatawag natin, going to the soil, no? So we have here the detailed piping. Sorry. Yan. Ato. Detail A, as we can see, this is 102 by 102Y. And this is 102 102Y, detail A. Another detail B, 102 18 bend, 102 by 102 branch waste to soil stack pipe joint. So this is one is a branch waste to soil stack pipe joint. Horizontal to vent. Ito po is another horizontal to vent. This is pipe joint for water closet. This is the water closet. And we have also the 102 by 102Y. And ito naman po is detail C, which is soil stack to house drain joint. Vertical to horizontal. So 152 18 bend. And this one is a detail pipe joint detail or floor drain. This one. This is a sample. And this is a sample of pipe joint detail for lavatory. So this is the trap. May trap po dito. So ito yung magiging source ditong nasa itong part na to. 32 millimeter. Okay. So anyways, let's discuss it later sa planning and etc. Sa susunod na mga topic siguro. I think I need to find more materials so that I can share this with you, my study materials.
So, the materials used for the plumbing drainage system approved by 1999 National Plumbing Code or excreta drainage piping. Cast iron, ito yung mga approved natin. We have the cast iron, the ductile iron, galvanized steel shall not be used underground. Keep at least 152 millimeter above the ground. Pag galvanized, it should not be used underground. Okay? But at least we need to keep it from 152 millimeter above the ground. Galvanized wrought iron, it shall not be used underground also. Basta anything that is galvanized iron, let's not put it underground. Keep at least 152 millimeter underground. We can use the lead, the copper, the brass, the Series 1000 PVC DMV, extra strength vitrified clay pipe shall not be used above ground. Ito naman na vitrified clay pipe, it's opposite of the galvanized kasi hindi siya kung ang galvanized, hindi natin siya pwedeng i-underground, ang vertified clay, hindi siya pwedeng above the ground. At least 300 millimeter below finished ground level. So, it is more on underground ang vitrified clay pipe. We have the approved material having smooth and uniform bore.
Okay. If ever you have any questions, comments, thank you for watching.
For our 9 viewers out there. Okay, so let's continue. Note the ABS and PVC DWB. DWB is means drainage waste vent. Okay, PVC, it's a material, which is plastic po yan. ABS, ganun din. It can be used in high-rise buildings at the discretion of the RMP with the full consent of the owner.
So this is the drainage fitting. These are the materials that we need to use. We have also the cast iron, the malleable lead, brass, copper, ABS, PVC, vitrified clay. So for the vent pipes, we can use this cast iron, ductile cast iron, galvanized steel, galvanized wrought iron, lead, copper, brass, Schedule 40 ABS DWG, Series 1000 PVC DWG. For the vent stacks, we can use the copper, the cast iron, the galvanized wrought iron, and the PVC. Vent fittings, we can use the cast iron, the galvanized malleable iron, galvanized steel, lead, copper, brass, ABS, PVC. And for the downspout or the interior, we have the cast iron, the galvanized steel, iron, brass, copper, lead, the Schedule 40 ABS DMV, the Series 1000 PVC DWV, the downspout medium height building. For the downspout medium height building, we can use the GI pipe Schedule 30. CISPSW, I don't know that one. Copper tube, type DWV, Schedule 40 ABS, DWV, Series 1000 PVC, DWV. So for the downspout, we can use the 26 AGA, galvanized sheet metal with steel pipe or cast iron at its lowest section draining to the catch basin. We can use the downspout. For the high rise, shall be stronger pipe. It should be stronger because the higher the places, the higher the pressure. So, if ever nasa taas po siya, ibig sabihin, dapat mas matibay po yung pipe kasi there's a possibility hindi niya kayanin yung pressure pag mataas po yung location, it means mas stronger pipe materials to resist the high hydrostatic pressure. Possible siya mag-boom, sumabog na lang. Okay, so for the roof drain, we can use the cast iron, the copper, or other corrosion-resistant materials. So, we have also the trap sections according to this, for the traps according to sections 1003 NTC of 1999 ABS cast brass, cast iron, lead PVC, that's the materials we need to use for the traps. So this is a typical P-trap. Ito yung P-trap natin. This is the crown wear. The crown wear is the highest point of the bottom of the internal surface of the trap. This is the inlet. Dito din, 'di ba po, pagdating sa plumbing arithmetic or possible ma-discuss natin 'to, yung pagdating sa fluid mechanics or dito nga sa pag-compute nitong fluids. Ito yung inlet, this is the outlet. So the trap seal is the vertical distance or depth of liquid that a trap will retain, measured between the crown wear. So this is the crown wear, the highest point of the bottom of the internal surface, and and this is the trap seal. This one, ito yung deep. As you can see in the figure, the deep, it's the lowest portion at crown wear is the highest portion. Ayan. So, ito naman, itong part na to, okay, para maintindihan natin, lalagyan ko ng color. So, this is what we call the crown wear. Itong part na to, kung saan yung highest sa tubig. Tapos, ito naman yung tinatawag natin na deep. And the distance between the crown wear and the deep, this one, kulang iba dapat ang color. Itong color, itong part na to. Yan po yung tinatawag, ito this between dito, yan po tinatawag na trap seal. Oh my gosh. Yan. Sorry. So the trap seal is the vertical distance or depth of liquid that a trap will retain, measured between the crown wear and the top of the lid of the trap. Okay, so here is the if this is the A, is greater, this is the A, itong part na to. If A is greater than B, this siphon will empty the upper tank of the trap. Then, this is not a siphon. It has destroyed by admitting air. Okay, good. Ito. And this is the correct one. Okay, let's discuss first the incorrect one. If incorrect, if there's no trap, foul gases enter the room. So, if there's a foul in your room, because of the trap, because of the, meron kayong foul, parang mabaho yung surrounding ninyo at alam niyo galing yun sa CR, it means there's no trap. So, that's an incorrect because yung foul gases lumalabas po. Okay. So, incorrect, no vent, and the foul gases, so, meron naman po tayong trap, however, there's no vent. Ano po yung use ng vent? It is this one. Dapat may vent po tayo dyan. Then, because the water that might seal the trap is siphoned out and foul gases enter the room. So, this is the correct version. We need to have the vent pipe. Ito yung vent pipe natin. And we have also the trap. This is the trap. Then, because of that, yung tubig bumaba, no? Tapos yung hangin, merong tayong para ma-remove natin yung ano. So, the vent has broken. So, the vent has broken the siphon by admitting air waters A and B find their destinations by gravity. So, air entering from the vent breaks the siphonage, no foul gas entering the room. So that's the function of a trap, one of the several functions of a vent preventing siphonage. Now, loss of trap seal. If there's a loss of trap seal, this failure can be attributed directly to inadequate ventilations of the trap and the subsequent minus and plus pressures which occur in the piping system. So there are five causes of trap seal loss. So we have here the siphonage. So what is siphonage? It's the withdrawal of a liquid from a trough due to a suction caused by liquid flow in a pipe. Ulitin ka natin. Siphonage, ito yung tubig na bumalik, no? Na hindi bumababa. Okay, so the withdrawal of a liquid from a trough due to a suction caused by liquid flow in a pipe. So we have here the direct soft siphonage. As you can see in the figure, there's an unventilated trap. It should be ventilated, and this is the outlet. So water rushes through the trap and into the vertical waste system. So kaya yung nangyari. You have also the indirect or momentum siphonage, wherein ito yung end of the trap, ito yung trap, ito yung discharge, tapos yung isa din, magkaka-connect sila, parehas, so ito wala, kumbaga may hangin na dito, yun. So that's the, what we call indirect momentum siphonage. So we have also the back pressure, because this back pressure, it's a it's a pressure developed in opposition to the flow of a liquid in a pipe due to friction, gravity, or some other restrictions to flow of the conveyed fluid. Excessive pressure at the lowest branch causing a trap seal to look for opening. So, here's the back pressure and there's a blockage kung bakit may barado. May tinatawag tayong barado. As if ever, bakit kaya yung barado, no? Kailangan igaganya, yung parang iano natin ng bomba na tinatawag. It's because of the pressure. We need to pressurize, parang pinapressurize natin ulit para at least maklog yung pressure or maalis yung nagbaback pressure sa mga toilet bowls natin. Okay, so evaporation, it occurs when the fixture is not used for a long time. So for so long, hindi siya nagagamit, and a deep seal is the best solution but clogs the pipe due to accumulated solid waste. So there's a solid waste already na bakit hindi lumulubog or nagkakaroon ng clog. Now, we have also the capillary extractions, the foreign objects in the traps absorbing trap seals. So, ibig sabihin, nagkakaroon po ng trap, I mean, mga barado because of the foreign objects. We have also the wind effect, and this is a strong winds. Because of the strong winds, through the vent system forcing out of the trap. So, yun. Okay, ulitin ko lang para mas matandaan po natin. Here's the 5 cause of the trap seal loss. The 5 cause. First is the siphonage. We have the direct and indirect self-siphonage. We have also the back pressure. Ulitin natin, siphonage, back pressure, evaporation, capillary attractions, and the wind effects. Now, let me discuss to you the supports. Okay, just wait for a while. Mag-charge lang tayo. Baka malobat. Okay, we have here Yes, thank you, Sir Art. You're my student sa reviewer online. Thank you. Okay, let's tackle about the supports. Okay, supports naman po tayo. Um, so, in supports, we have the horizontal pipe hang from a slab above, as we can see. Is the hanger rod. Usually, nakikita natin to doon sa mga high-rise building. May leveling bolt. Kailangan po yan kasi syempre, pagka pagka nagde-design po, dapat talaga meron talagang mga support. So, if there's no support, syempre po, hindi kakayanin naman ng pipe natin to handle the weights of the waste, right? So, you need the support. So, we have here the hanger rod and the leveling vault. Here's the clevis hanger. That's what we call the clevis hanger. Then this one, it's the branch pipe. Okay? So here naman po, sa B is a vertical pipe supported at slot in concrete slab. So this is the concrete, no? Tapos, ito na yung kanyang support. Ito yon. Ito din, pipe stock siya. Tapos ito din yung concrete. So, pipe support at base soil track. Okay. Supports is this are the devices for holding and securing pipes and fixtures to walls, ceiling, floors, or structural members. Supports include the hangers, the anchors, the brackets, and the cradles. Ulitin natin, supports include the hangers, the anchors, the brackets, and the cradles. So, this is the indirect waste piping. Section 810, NPC 1999. Okay, so dito tayo sa indirect waste piping. The drains of the following equipment shall not be directly connected to any soil. Ito. Kailangan natin ito tandaan. The drains of the following equipments not be directly to any soil or waste and the vent pipe. Hindi siya kailangan pasama sa DWB. Yung meron tayong evaporative cooler. This evaporative cooler, meron siya sariling uh, drainage, no? This comes from the air conditioning. Yeah, evaporative pa rin siya. We have the air washer, the air conditioner, cold storage room, refrigerator, cooling, counter, food and drink storage, culinary, dishwashing sink for food preparations room. So, cooling and air conditioning equipments may be separated by an air brake, and food equipment shall be separated from the drainage system by a full air graph. Okay, ano po yung tinatawag natin na air brake? This is a physical separation which may be low inlet into the indirect waste receptor from the fixture, appliance, or device indirectly connected at at least to 25 millimeter. So, air brake, example, this is the yan po yung example natin. There's a 25 millimeter, then that's the funnel, and that's it. And the pipe, yeah, connected to the pipe. We have also the air gap drainage. This is the unobstructed vertical distance through the free atmosphere. Okay, meron tayong air gap drainage. It's in an unobstructed vertical distance through the free atmosphere between the lowest opening from any pipe, plumbing fixtures, appliances, or appurtenance conveying waste to the flood level rim of the receptor. Here's the air gap. Makikita natin, ito yung makikita natin, this is the lavatory, diba? Then, this is the pipe, and this is the fixture. And as we can see, there's an air gap of 3 inches. Ayan. Then, this is now the trap. the pipe. Okay, and this is the deep, the trap seal, and the crown. This is the crown wear, and this is the deep, no? Ito yung trap seal. Okay. That's the DWV. What is DWD stands for? It's drainage, waste, and vent. So, let's talk about the overall drainage, waste, and vent, the piping system. The drainage system is composed of groups of pipes and fittings that convey waste from the building to the proper means of disposal. We have the building sewer. It's part of the horizontal piping of a drainage system, which system extends from the end of the building and which receives the discharge of the building drain, conveys to its public sewer, private sewer, individual sewage disposal system, or other point of disposal. We have also the building drain. So this is the part of the lowest horizontal piping of the plumbing system, which receives the discharge from soil, waste, and other drainage pipes inside of a building and conveys it to the house sewer. We have also the sewage disposal system. So a system for the treatment and disposal of domestic sewage by means of the septic tank. Anything that is disposal from na meron mga fecal or black waste o black, yeah, gray water, black water na tinatawag natin. Um system that ito na yung sewage disposal system and the treatment. So this is a treatment and disposal of domestic sewage by means of septic tank, cesspool, or mechanical treatment, all designed to serve single establishment development of building. So drainage piping system contains fittings that serve as drains, the traps, and the vents. And what are the differences of these three? Ulitin natin, drains is more on fittings used for draining fluid from point of use to the piping system. Pag sinabi nating traps, it's a fittings or device and design and designed and constructed to provide a liquid seal which prevents the back passage of air without materially affecting the flow of sewage or water through it. We have also the vents. This is the pipes and fittings installed in the system to provide air circulation so as to protect trap seals from siphonage and back pressure. So we have here a sample design. Um, So as you can see, this is a floor drain. We have here, this is the concrete. Yan, ito yung concrete. Kulayan natin. And here, we have the adjustable strainer. Finish floor line. This is the cement. Ito yung na kanina kinulayan ko. And this is the waterproofing membrane flush into the camping collar. And here's the thread cox outline. So this is the sample of the drainage. I mean, oh. So this is a floor drain. Sample of a floor drain. So let's tackle about the types of drop. Types of trap commonly used in residential fixtures. We have here the P-trap, the drum trap, and the house trap on other appliances. So, P-trap used of the pag P-trap para siya sa mga lavatories, sinks, floor drains, and scoppers. Pag drum trap, tatandaan natin to, it's a use of the bathtubs and the bidets. House trap, iba naman siya. So, I don't know. And other appliances, we have the backflow valve, flow control valve, key strap, the interceptor. Okay. Aalamin pa natin yan isa-isa. So here's the laboratory and kitchen sink. So kung ito galing po to sa mismong dun sa ah ito yung tinatawag natin na floor drain, 'di ba? Okay. So ito, as you can see, the drum trap on okay. Tandaan natin, this is a sample of a P-trap for laboratory and kitchen sink. This is a sample. This one. This is the P-trap. No? Next is, we have here the trap seal. The drum trap on bath towel. This is the trap seal. So this is a sample of the drum trap. We have also the pop-up drain mechanism in bathtub. Ito po, kung saan, 'di ba pag pinush natin yung lever, tapos pag pinush natin, bababa siya, tapos lalabas yung tubig. Pagka hindi natin siya pinush, masasara naman yung water. So, the drum trap, it's a cylindrical trap commonly used in the drain pipe from a bathtub or under the bathroom. Pag nalaman natin what is the trap used for the bathtub, that is a drum trap. Pagka sa mga kitchen waste, that is pit trap. So we have also the back flow valve. Tingnan natin ng maigi. There's a gate valve there, the wedge, that's the flow swing check valve. So this is a backflow valve. And we have here basta ito yung gate valve natin. Ito naman, we have the running trap and the vent stack, the basement or floor. Yan. The sample yan. So here's the sizes and capacities of the grease traps. Hindi ko na siya isa-isahin. Ito, nagkaroon ng dito, house trap. Ito yung kaninang dinidiscuss ko na hindi ko alam. It's a device pala installed to prevent, wala. Hey, what happened? So this is a device installed to prevent circulation of air between the drainage of the building and the yun pala yung purpose po ng house trap. Okay, anyways, nagkaano siya. Note the minimum height of 89. Okay. 89 millimeter required from cover of grease trap to bottom fixture serve. Okay, that's the minimum height. So this is a sample of drainage accessories for institutional kitchen. Here's the kitchen sink. Tapos dito naman yung free level drain. Tapos flow control valve. Then this is the grease trap. Dito natin, bakit may grease trap? Usually, diyan po kasi yung mga sa pagkain, 'di ba? Yung mga sobra-sobra sa pagkain. Also, meron also vent stack. Here's the free level handle drain. It's yon, yun may brand. So it is easy for dripping of wastewater from kitchen sink. That's the purpose of free level handle. We have also the flow control valve. It's recommended for installation between free level handle drain and grease trap to prevent fats from clogging into pipes. Okay, grease trap, it's a device for removing fat and grease from wastewater by allowing retained liquid to cool and grease to solidify. When the grease is separated by flotation, it rises to the top of the
of the trap where it is held, the prime purpose of a grease trap is to assure. So, ang pinaka main purpose or the prime purpose of the grease type is to assure free-flowing drainage through pipelines at all times by intercepting, accumulating, and recovering globules of grease, fat, and oils from wastewater. So, ito yung grease trap natin. Usually, na nakikita natin dun sa mga restaurant kitchens. So, malapit na tayo matapos. So, grease trap or grease interceptor. So, grease trap is not required for individual dwelling units or any private living quarters, according to the sections of 1011.1 and PC 99. So, no food waste disposal shall be connected to or discharged to any grease trap, according to the section of 1013 and NPC 1990. So, for the sizing of the grease interceptor, so we have here the C is equals to M times R, W times R times F. Ano yan? So, pag sinabi natin, ito yung mga formula. So, isa sa mga gagawin natin, um, kailangan natin sauluhin yung mga formula. So, we have the CMWRF. CMW, CMW, C is equals to the M, to the W, to the R times F. So 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 264 gallons. So what is the equivalent? What is T? And this is the size of the grease interceptors or the liquid capacity is equals to the M. Ano yung M? That is number of meals served at per hour. So kailangan ilan bang meals siniserve at the peak hour. So ano yung pinaka-maximum. And R is the waste flow rate. So with this washing machine, you are using 6 gallon flow of per meal per day. Pag without dishwashing, 5 gallon lang. Pag single service kitchens, 2 gallon flow. So food waste disposer, we have the 1 gallon flow. And hospital kitchens is 25 gallon per bed per day. So F is storage factors, fully equipped commercial kitchens, 8-hour operations, 1. Pag 18-hour operations, 2. Pag 24-hour operations, that is 3. Pag isang buong araw, 3. 18-hour operations, 2. And 8 operations, 1. So, that's the ano. So, single service kitchens is 1.5. So, here's the example. Meron tayong example for the solving. Determine the capacity of the volume of the grease. So, hinahanap natin yung volume of the grease trap for a canteen that serves an average of 50 meals a day. So, we have here M. It's ilan per meals. So, 50 meals a day daw. That is open from 11 to 7 p.m. So, ilang hours? 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, usually, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 8 hours. So, if we have the solution, S is equals to M times W times R times F. So, we are looking for S, right? So, S or C, kanina C yan eh. C, which is 50 meals, no? M is for 50 meals, W is 5 cal per meal per day. Tapos, R is 2.5 hours and F is 1. So, saan po natin? Ito, ano yung 50 meals dyan? So, sinabi dito, M is the number of meals served at peak hour. So, sinasabi dito, 50 meals a day that is open 11 to 7. So, 50 meals. Ito na yung at peak hour. W, what is W? That is waste from rate. So, this is a sample of canteen. Pag canteen, that is a single that's a singles, hindi. Pag canteen, nakaano saan to? So, usually, pag canteen pala,
It's 5 gallon per flow kasi without dishwashing machine. Hmm, 5 gallon meal per day. Tapos ano yung hindi, mali ako. Sorry. Ano yung W? CMW. Tama. Waste flow rate. That is a 5 gallon flow per meal per day. Okay. Tapos R. What is R? 2.5 hours. So, parang may mali dito na. I don't know what happened. Ano yung R? Okay, parang may mali dito sa ano ko. Tapos F, it's 1 because that is a 8-hour operation. 8 hours kasi siya. Kaya 50 times 25, 2.5 times. So 625 gallons ang kailangan natin. Solve for volume of grease trap, B, cubic meter, and V is equals to 625 per 264 because that is gallons. So 2.37 cubic meter. That's the volume of the grease trap. So we have also the other methods used for sizing the grease interceptor. For these traps, they serve non-scheduled meals to non-specific meals of occupants as in restaurants, fast foods, services, and luncheonettes. C is equals to, ito naman yung formula sa 0.9 KNHGS. So, ano yung KNHGS? So, where C, it's liquid capacity. K, it's more on facility assessment coefficient. It's a 1.25 for freeways, 1 for recreation areas, zero point 0.8 that is for main highways, and zero point 0.5 for lesser roads. N is a number of seats. Use fractional value of occupancy is very full. H is the number of hours per day of operations. G is the waste flow rate. General value is 4.5 gallons. And S is sewage capacity factor. So 1.7 for outflow to sewer to public sewer, 2.5 for outflow to opposite disposal. So for guest traps that serve scheduled meals to a specific number of occupants, as in hospitals, their nurse homes, and the schools. So C is equals to 0.14 times M times G times S. Ito din another formula where M is the number of scheduled meals per day, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So here's the types of vents. Anyways, for all the yung mga may mga computations, I'm still looking for the materials for all the computations, and um um let's try to solve other po natin, mga mga problem solving materials natin para at least the later on we can easily check if assess ourselves if kaya talaga natin mag-take ng exam. Okay. This is we have different types of vents. We have the main soil and waste vent, main vent. We have the individual vent or back vent, unit vent, circuit vent or loop vent. We have also the relief vent, yoke vent, wet vent, loop vent, utility vent. Yan. So what is the differences between of these vents? Okay, we have also the main soil and waste vent. As we can see here, from the mismong labas sa roof going na meron tayong main vent. That's a main vent and waste vent. So, itong makikita natin dito. So, this is the portion of the soil stack above the highest installed texture branch extending through the roof. Yun yung tinatawag natin na main vent. We have also the individual's vent or back vent. So, dito naman, this is the main vent, tapos meron tayong back vent, tapos sa main vent, back vent, yan. So, this is the portion. Ito, makikita natin may back vent tayo. Ito yung part na to. Yan. This is the main vent, tapos may back vent pa tayo. Yan. Ito yung main vent, tapos ito yung back vents. So, ibig sabihin, meron pa siyang isang vent. And this is the portion of the vent pipe using which serves as a single fixture. We have also the main vent. Ito pa yung another main vent design. It's a principal portion of the vent pipe system to which vent branches may be connected. It serves as connecting vent. Ito yan, main vent. Ito pa. Yan. So, main vent din po siya. So, we have the main soil and waste vent. Meron tayong main vent. Meron tayong unit vent, and this unit vent, ito po yun. Yan, sa part na to. Itong nakikita natin. Yan. Ito unit vent, galing sa may CR. It's a portion of the vent pipe which ventilates two fixtures o pag dalawa, it's a unit vent. Pag isa, that is back vent. So, pag unit vent is the portion of the vent pipe system which ventilates two fixture or of similar design installed on opposite sides or a partition. So, the vent stack is installed between the second and the third fixture as precaution. In the case of the soil branch becomes clogged, the third fixture scars the pipe of fecal waste which may obstruct the vent. So this is the example of the designs of the vents and the drainage system. So we have also the circuit vent or loop vent. So as we can see, this is a circuit or loop vent. This is the portion drainage system which ventilates two or more fixture traps to discharge into a soil or waste branch. So here's the numbers. So, aaralin pa natin yan isa-isa. I cannot, hindi ko na babasahin kasi i-memorize na lang natin yan. And also, here's the relief vent. Ano saan dito yung relief vent? This one. This is the relief vent. In this case, this is the relief vent. What's the purpose of the relief vent? Is the portion of the vent pipe installation that permits additional circulation of air around the drainage pipes to eliminate back pressure and retardations of the waste flow. And that's it for tonight. And yes. So thank you so much for watching our live for tonight. And please like, share this video. And if you want to have your own, very own, or have access to my Registered Master Plumbing review materials, just follow my page, then share this video. Follow mo lang yung page ko, tapos i-screenshot mo, then send mo sa akin yung pag-follow mo dun sa messenger, dun sa messenger ng page ko. Then, just give me the email, then I will grant you the access for this itong RMP materials, itong mga nakuha kong materials. So, I'm still looking for other materials para at least mas madami pa po tayong ma-review. So, konti na lang. Review pa. March pa lang. Meron pa tayong May, June, July. I don't know if I can, mag-take this year. Maybe, baka next year pa. So, I don't know kasi medyo madami pang ginagawa. Okay. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Once again, this is Engineer Joy Mandane-Ortiz. And see you sa mga, magla-live na lang po ako ulit. And I will share the videos if I can, kasi medyo busy ngayon kasi, syempre, it's Holy Week and may mga family matters. So, magla-live na lang ako for another review. Thank you. God bless you all.